Customers choose directly from Google. What do I mean by that? More homeowners are calling, messaging, or getting directions without ever visiting your website. So if many never visit your website, that means your Google profile is often the first and only impression. Trust signals influence decisions instantly. And these trust signals are reviews, whether or not you're responding, photos, and activity shapes which HVAC company gets chosen. Visibility is not static anymore. Your Google profile is either gaining momentum or it's slowly losing it over time. Your Google profile is no longer a supporting asset. It's your most important marketing channel. That's because the way homeowners search and choose HVAC companies today has changed. And your strategy to get more customers need to change with it. Activity and engagement are becoming more important, and the HVAC market is becoming more and more competitive.